Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an accordion spin. Now obviously you need to already know how to do an accordion, so link to the accordion in the description below, and assuming you've got one of those in your repertoire, you're ready for this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now most of that was just normal accordion steps, so there's only one real little bit of interest in the middle, but we wanted to show you it in the middle of a piece of an accordion. You could have just gone straight into the return afterwards, so the very final piece, but you can do this any time you're on that side of the accordion. So we start off right to right, standard accordion entry. So we go semicircle back, off with the hand. We're taking the lady out to the right as the guy's head over to the left, so the right comes up, the left is down. We're going to bring the lady over to the left as the guy heads over to the right. This is where we change it. And it just feels like leading a lady spin whilst having another hand involved. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the right hand over to the right, so we're prepping the lady to her left and we're not trying to move her centre anywhere. So we now flick that right hand through to the left to lead the spin. Obviously we've got to roll the wrist up the top, recollect, and you want to make sure the lady's got that feeling of going back with her right shoulder, and then you're ready to go back into the accordion, send her out to the right hand side as the guy's head left. You're back to standard accordion, so we're just going to head that back over to the other side, ready for a return to finish. So let's do it again and think numbers and give you the other view. So we go semicircle back and offer 1, taking the lady out to the right 2 and look 3, lady out to the left 4 and look 5. We do the prep on 6, spin 7, look 8, crossing over 1, look 2, back 3, look 4, return 5 and back 6. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, an accordion spin. We go offer, sweep, look, across, look, prepare, spin, look, changing sides, look, changing back, look, return, and you're done. Obviously you could have done more spins if you'd wanted to, or more revolutions if you'd wanted to, and that's it. So quite simple one, really easy to kind of gradually add these little extra bits to your repertoire as you go. So thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. There's a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell, helps promote the channel and means you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.